How to add a new page in Word, or how to insert a new page in MS Word without pressing enter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add new page in MS Word without pressing enter. Now it's quite simple. Now what you need to know first is the process is quite similar on both the web browser and the app itself, MS Word app. So you can do it on both the platforms. I'll be showing you here on MS Word on browser. However, so the process is similar, so you can just follow my steps. What you need to do is once you open up a page here, you can see I've opened up and there are two pages. One is blank and the other one is here. Now, if you type in here, if you click on the top of your page here above every words here, and if you type in here, you can see the typing option here enabled. Then page will be added at the top of your screen, at the top of your page. It'll be added above your page, and if you tap with your mouse on below, if you click here below and if you head to typing in here, then it will be added below. Your new page will be added below. Now first, to add it, simply click your mouse here at the top of your screen if you want to add it, and then click on the insert option here, and what you want to do is click on page break option and it will be added. Now you can see one blank page here and down below is the page. Now you can add another page break again and it will be added again similarly here at the top. Similarly, if you want to add it down below, click your mouse at the bottom of the screen where you can type in, and then again click on page break and it will be added down below. You can see previously there is one single blank page and now there is two. So this way you can add a new page in Word, or you can insert a new page in MS Word without pressing enter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.